cool stuff. All right, far from cool. Yesterday, 91. Today, not as warm, but awfully muggy. Let's head outside, show you a live look around town where we still see some blue sky over Morgan's Wonderland camp, but I'd have to still call it mostly cloudy on this Wednesday afternoon. It's awfully humid again. We had a nice little break yesterday, but that's also what sent us up to 91 for a daytime high. So temperatures not as warm. We're at 81, so about 10 degrees cooler, but it's because the humidity went up. We've got our dew point at 59 as opposed to this time yesterday, which was 32. Southeast wind moving pretty good. So now the dry line, which was east of us yesterday, is back to the west, spawning a few showers and thunderstorms near San Angelo. The frontal boundary that got close, in fact, we had a northwest wind for a couple of hours last night, has now retreated up into North Texas. So with that dry line farther west, you can see the lower dew points are farther west, 36 at Rock Springs compared to our 59, and then you get to lower to mid 60s off to the east. However, we will see a nice drop. Dew points will go from these 60s over the next couple of days down for the weekend into the 40s. Some very pleasant dry air to begin next week before we start to slowly creep in some humidity by next Tuesday, Wednesday during spring break. And that could lead to a slight chance of rain. Right now, rain, again, I showed you near San Angelo and that dry line, then far west Texas as well. But come tomorrow, have the umbrellas handy. If you're thinking about washing your car tonight, I would wait. We've got a few showers moving in to the hill country by about 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. So we start dry tomorrow under mostly cloudy skies. It'll be a muggy morning, but then the showers will get started mid-morning and then probably start inching into the area by early afternoon. 1 to 2 p.m. you can see some showers in San Antonio. Then we dry out for the afternoon and evening. It's overnight heading into Friday morning that the front's coming in and a line of thunderstorms should develop. This is 3 in the morning. So from Rock Springs near Fredericksburg and then moving in our direction, and by 6 a.m. we could see some isolated thunderstorms develop in San Antonio, everything pushing east and warming up as we get into the early afternoon. But here's the problem. Any storms that develop and break through the cap, a cap of warm air aloft, they will go severe, and we've got a 1 out of 5 chance that comes into northwest Bexar County, but does include Bernie, Hondo, and then at Kerrville it goes to a Category 2 out of 5. So again, it's possible, but not probable. All right, 7-day forecast. Tomorrow during the day, light rain, about a 30% chance of isolated showers. Then it's into Friday morning, about 40% chance of those isolated thunderstorms until about 7 or 8 a.m., and then we're done. Then we're clearing out 82 on a sunny and breezy Friday. Saturday and Sunday are cooler. I mean, look at the mornings, mid-40s now, and only up to the mid-60s for a daytime high. So when you talk about Thursday, Friday to Saturday, Sunday, big change in temperatures. And don't forget, we spring forward. And speaking of spring, here's spring break. Off to a good start, but a slight chance of rain by Wednesday. Jeremy?